so I grabbed my router. I don't know if you guys have seen a router being used, but that blade is going to spin, and because of the table and where the blade is, it's going to round that edge over. Now it's got depth settings, so you can change your depth of this and get more or less of a cut. It'll just bite more or less into that blade. I've already done this, so I pretty much know it's already set. And I'm just going to run it along the outside of the blade, the outside of the piece. And you can just probably see it's got that little roller on the end. So the roller will ride along the piece while the blade is coming through and spinning, obviously, and rounding off that edge. So I can't really get video footage of this. I'm going to try, but I don't know if I can hold the camera and do this. But yeah, we'll show it to you when it's all done. And we're back. So you can see, well, here, let me go this way. So there's the square edge, and then you can just see the nice rounded edge around the outside. I'm going to flip that over, do it on the back, give the back a quick belt sanding, and probably the sides. The router leaves a little trailing mark, but yeah, so we'll get this, get the other side done, and we'll show you the next step. Thanks for coming out, guys. Alrighty, so got it all sanded. Got the edges nice and rounded at the front and the back's done. And yeah, I'm going to have to do a test burn. The next step is burning. So I'm going to do a test burn on some regular old 2x4 so I know what it's going to look like, and I don't want to burn it too deep, too hot. So we'll show you that process, and then I'll show you burning the whole thing, and then probably a little quick sand, 220 or something, and then we'll put some polyurethane on there, some real nice thick spar varnish, because it will be outside. It's going to be a sign at the end of a driveway, so we need it super waterproof. And spar varnish, polyurethane spar varnish is probably the best stuff you can get. It's super thick and UV resistant. So yeah, that's that part of it, and I'm going to get some stuff set up and we'll show you burning. Thanks, guys. Alright, for those of you not familiar with laser cutters, engravers, whatever you want to call it, here's my my beauty. But one of the things you need to do is you need a depth gauge. I did a ramp test and all that stuff. You don't need to be worried about it, but my proper height is that. So you gotta load the board in and obviously check it. I gotta check its positioning, and I have to set the depth because the laser needs to be at a certain point. So that's that, and now I'm going to do test burn, see how my numbers are, see how dark it is, and we'll go from there.